I think so. Hang on. No, I forgot. I'm so sorry. Good.
Perfect. You'll never get us.
No key. Look at that.
The door is closed and locked. I guess I gotta wait for the teacher to show up and unlock it. Oh well, I'm not waiting out here, so.
Well, it's safe to say that the lock worked.
Shitbox powers, activate.
You can't remember the code, you can buy the TSA lock on Amazon. Now I just have to replace the stupid thing that the Southwest people broke.